Today we will demonstrate two different ways to restore the plastics on your vehicle. The first method uses a heat gun. See how the plastic looks gray and aged? By heating the plastic, we are able to restore it to its almost original condition. Start by applying heat to the affected area and work out from the starting point in a slow, even motion. You'll be able to see the plastic change right away. You'll need to test in an inconspicuous area to make sure you're happy with the results before potentially ruining a part. Caution: we're working with heat, so be smart and stay safe. The second method involves using a torch. Today we'll be using a standard MAP gas torch. Caution: fire, so be smart and stay safe. As you can see here, the torch works much faster. There's also a greater risk of damaging your workpiece. The distance between the flame and the workpiece and the speed that you move are very important. With this method, you'll want to keep the flame moving across the workpiece quickly. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe to our videos. Be sure to call the professionals at Driven Import Auto Care today to schedule your next maintenance or repair service.